How to use PLR, MRR, RR content to build websites to flip later on. In this guide, I will talk to you about how to make money by using PLR, MRR, RR content to build websites to flip later on. For those who don't know what Resell Rights products are, they are products that the user or buyer has acquired the rights to resell or do as he or she wishes. They can come in different formats: ebooks, articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, images, software and other types of digital formats. Many who don't have the resources or the time to consistently create products or provide website content often resort to investing in Resell Rights products so they can meet the needs of their customers. Instead of spending time and resources to actually create products to sell to others, they simply buy from others who have already created such products and have given rights for them to be resold. It's the easiest way to sell products online that you get 100% of the profits from. If you are looking for one of the best ways to get Resell Rights products right now, then I would recommend bookmare.com website for you. Bookmare is a center for private label rights PLR, master resell right MRR and resell right RR of digital products. Which means that you can go to bookmare.com, download any digital products that you need, repurpose them, brand, tweak, and sell as your own, use them on your project, website, no royalties or extra fees. Use PLR content to build websites to flip later on. Your make money online strategy can be to build and sell content-rich and money-making websites. You can achieve this with Resell Rights products. If you have products with private label rights, you can use or modify the content to build a niche site. Monetize the site with AdSense or any other method. When the site starts making money, you can then sell it for profit to the highest bidder at online marketplaces like Flipper.com, eBay.com, etc. You can do this again and again in different niches, particularly if you are a member of Resell Rights membership site which provides content in different niches. Of course, you stand to make more money from this if you concentrate on more popular niches, rather than every niche. People love to buy websites that are based around popular niches. Even better, those niches that have people willing to spend money. You don't want to spend time and effort building a site to sell, if people interested in such sites are looking for free information, rather than willing to buy what the site is promoting or recommending. Take action. Start and grow your business using PLR, MRR and RR contents. I have to add this point as the very last one because it's the most important of them all. Take action. Most people will read all of this and won't take any action. If you are one of such people, please remember that it's in the action taking that you get any results at all. Nothing else will matter if you don't take action. Even if you take action on just one or few of the above ways to make money with Resell Rights products, you will get some result, which you can expand on as you go along. Whether you consider yourself a newbie or an experienced marketer, you must take action to get any results. Newbies will read some or all of this guide and get very excited. But it's not in the excitement that the money is made, it's in taking action. If you are one of such experienced marketers, you will agree with me that knowing is not enough, you need to take action on what you know, to get results. Hopefully this guide reminds you of what you already know, and inspires you to take action. As for experienced marketers, many might read, shrug their shoulders and say to themselves, I know all that stuff. We are all guilty of such thoughts. They hold us back rather than help us forward. If you did know all that stuff, are you taking enough action on what you do know? Finally, never write from scratch again and never pay expensive freelancers again. Save time, reduce cost and be productive. Make money with PLR, MRR and RR contents. If you are ready to use and make money from PLR, MRR, RR, I would recommend bookmare.com website for you. Bookmare is a center for private label rights PLR, master resell right MRR and resell right RR of digital products. Which means that you can go to bookmare.com, Download any digital products that you need, repurpose them, brand, tweak, and sell as your own. Use them on your project, website, no royalties or extra fees.